Many people are believing that Nifty can crash like anything on Monday, and the simple reason being that Dow Jones fell by 5.5% on Friday. If this fall were to be replicated by Nifty, Nifty could potentially go down to 21,600, and in that case, we would be very close to a bear market. But would this happen or not? To know the answer for this, check out the full video. Hey folks, CA Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a very important video. Well, if you ask me, will markets really fall by 5.5% on Monday? My personal thought process is no. Because just by copying one day's analysis to one day of Indian markets doesn't make sense. Ideally, what we should be doing is we should understand how much is the percentage fall from top to bottom in US markets, and we'll have to compare that with the Indian market scenario. But first questions first is that why are markets falling right now? Obvious answer is the Trump tariffs. Everyone knows about that. But more than Trump tariffs, it is the fear of recession. And if recession were to kick in USA, how could it impact the Indian markets? How could it impact our portfolio? And for that, we need to analyze what were the past 5 recessions say in USA. How did it impact their market? How did it impact our market? How much time did it take for the markets to go from the top to bottom in recessions? How much time did it take for the markets to recover through these recessions? And this entire study I'm going to present in my Bangalore event of Har Ghar Investor, which is scheduled on 12th of April. The details of the event are right here on the screen. To be honest, this was not a section which I had included in my Bangalore event, but I got so many WhatsApp messages on my office number if requesting if I could include this section in the Bangalore event, and that is the reason why I'm including this. If you are also coming for the Bangalore event, post an Insta story, tag me, and let me know what do you want me to cover in addition to whatever I've already planned, and I'll be more than happy to take your requests. To book the tickets for the Bangalore events, links are there in the pinned comment and in the description box below. Now let's come to the most important point of today's video. What am I expecting on Monday? Will there be a market mayhem, or we may fall way less as compared to what US fell on Friday? And for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare key US indices with key Indian indices, and we are going to check how much have the markets fallen from the topmost point to the bottommost point. And just to save on some time, I've already connected the highs and the lows in TradingView, and for that have a look at this. Now if you see here, first comes first, S&P 500. This is the top, this is the bottommost point. S&P 500 has fallen by 17.8%. Now S&P 500, I could compare it with something like Nifty 500 in the Indian context. And Indian context, Nifty 500 from the top to the latest available data, we have fallen by 15.6%. So now let's compare one more time, 17.8 versus 15.6. So we have fallen 2.2% less as compared to what US markets have fallen. I'm talking about all-time high to the recent data point. Now let's check about how much is Dow Jones Industrial Average fallen from the topmost point to the latest available data. 15.2% is the correction in Dow Jones, and this can be very well compared with our Nifty 50. And if we check here from the high to the latest available data, we have fallen roughly by 13%. So again, 15.2% versus 13%, yet 2.2% less. Very similar data point here, right? Now, I'm not going to compare NASDAQ with Nifty IT because both are only IT oriented sectors. And what I'm interested in right now is an overall view rather than one sectoral index. So, in that case, we'll move to US Small Cap 2000, or called as the Russell 2000 Index, which talks about 2000 companies, mainly small caps. So, if you check here from the topmost point to the recent fall, it's almost down 26%. And if I were to compare that with Nifty Small Cap 250, this has gone down by almost 21%. So this tells us that in the small cap space, the fall could be higher, could be around maybe 4-5%. But if I were to understand the broad-based indices, maybe Nifty 50 or maybe even Nifty 500, the gap should not be more than 2.2%. Now, what's really important? I want you all to do a homework. Check the markets on Monday. Check whether they fall by 2.2% or lesser than that. I personally feel that if we fall lesser than 2.2% at close, it means that we would be showing strength as compared to the US markets. Number two, our key level, of course, we had talked about 22,800. holding on to that is super difficult on Monday, but I feel that 20 to 300 will still be held on to, and that is my thought process. Let's check on Monday. If you want me to do a separate live stream on Monday after market hours, do just let me know yes in the comment section, or you can also smash the like button so that I'll get to know whether you want me to do a separate live stream or not. I hope you found some value in today's video. It was a short and sweet video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends. Again, a quick reminder about the Bangalore event. We are going to learn a lot of things in the Bangalore event, so don't forget to attend that. Links are there in the pinned comment and in the description box. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye bye.